welcome to another CE channel video. Got waterfall because if you look right here, we got Hot Wheel stuff. And these cars is really loud. These are waterproof. They don't rust. They're made for water. So we're good on that. And on this video too, obviously. We got a bunch of tracks and these pony things that go like this. Okay. And we're gonna do them on the waterfall. But the problem is, we didn't turn on the slide. It's off, but it's on somehow. So we might do some other things too with these, but we're gonna do the waterfall. So let's do it. Guys, we have a problem. It's so hot. It's like 110 out here. Not even joking. The stairs are so hot. We're gonna have to do that water thing with the slide. Hey, stop!
What?
We're gonna have to do that slide thing with the water.
How are we supposed to get up?
You gotta run as fast as you can. So, I'm gonna run up there. Sheila, I need my phone to turn the slide on.
Huh?
I need my phone to turn the slide on.
Then go get it.
Okay.
Where does it go?
It connects. Wait, what did you do?
I don't know.
Okay, the slide is on. I'm gonna run up there as fast as I can. Okay, whatever.
Here's the water. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Hot. The water's burning. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's hot. Casey, that water's hot.
What?
That water's hot.
It's cooling down. See, it's a waterfall.
I know. It's so hot.
Yeah, I think I got blisters. Oh, that's hot.
It's red.
It's hot. Ow. Okay, guys, should we try and get up here? The waterfall?
We'll see if it's hot. Warm.
It's not that bad. It's literally a waterfall.
I'll be stopping soon.
It's warm. It's hot water, but it's not as hot as it was. Yeah, that's not as bad. Oh, that water. Woo. No, the tub, I can't get wet. It's there, save it. All right, guys, we're on the waterfall. I don't think we can do this. He said it's so hot. Oh, it's so wet.
We took out the tracks.
I know. My feet. I blisters already.
I'll go get the tracks, but I'm jumping in.
Okay. He said jumping in. Get the tracks. Get the tracks. Where is Easton? There he is. Is that hot?
Yeah.
Easton, I'm gonna fall. Okay, put him. Yeah, right there. Oh, okay, we're gonna build this thing. Easton, jump. I lost tracks. That's gonna take a while. All right, we have a track so far. Uh-oh, it's moving. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, the track is done. Issa, put one down. It's right here. Here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Woo! Whoa! That was so cool. Do another one. Do another, Ethan. Go. Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna go get him.
Okay.
Here, I'm still recording.
Okay.
Jump in.
Look at this. It's boosting water up. Dude, this tablet's so hot. Did you get both of them? Did you get both of them? What? Did you get both of them? All right. Guys, we can't find the cars. Look right underneath the waterfall. Good news, we found them. It was right underneath the waterfall, exactly where I thought it was. So now he's coming up. So freaking hot.
Oh my gosh, it took like 5 minutes to find these.
Yeah.
It's just so blurry without goggles.
All right, Casey's gonna put it down.
Same time. So, 3, 2, 1.
One didn't even make it. What the crap? This one didn't make it down, so I'm gonna put it down. That was weird. It didn't even make it. Make sure you like and subscribe because Casey just jumped in the water to grab the gun again. I thought it was my turn to go grab him. So, yeah. All right, Kason. My turn to put him down. All right. I'm gonna keep one right here.
We got 12% battery.
Huh?
I said we got 12% battery.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna crash. Oh, grab it.
Here, I'll just do one at a time.
Yeah.
Oh!
What happened? What? All right, catch it.
All right, we're gonna try this.
Okay, I'm gonna get a car. Okay, I got one. Now we're gonna try this. See what happens.
You're in the way a little bit. Here, I'll go on this side. Look, it goes through the waterfall.
There you go. Ow! I hit my finger.
Hurry!
No! Okay, try this.
Woo!
It turned. Okay, there's another one.
You guys got to see that. I don't know if you guys saw that.
Okay, get that part right there. Oh, it hit.
All right. See you down. Here.
I don't really need them, but whatever.
Well, there he goes to find the cars. Guys, the thing fell. I wasn't looking and it fell. No.
Alright, guys. Guess this is it. Time to crash off the next time.
What he's saying is the video is end. If you can't hear him, he's ending the video. Like and subscribe.